Hey, guys! In today's video, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to bring back the vertical status style in WhatsApp's latest update. Let's dive right into it. With the most recent update, WhatsApp introduced a change to the status layout, making it horizontal by default. Now, if you prefer the old vertical style, here's what you need to do. First, open your WhatsApp on your mobile. Once you are in, click on the Status tab. As you can see, the status is currently displayed horizontally. To switch it back to vertical, you'll need to unfollow all the channels you're currently following. Click on each channel one by one. Then click on the three dots in the top right corner. From the options that appear, select Unfollow. Repeat this process for all the channels you follow. It might take a moment, but it's a simple and effective method. Now, let's see the magic happen. Once you've unfollowed all the channels, your status should automatically switch back to the classic vertical style. Let's check it out. As you can see, the status has now changed to the vertical layout. It's that easy. Keep in mind that if you decide to follow a channel again in the future, WhatsApp will switch back to the horizontal style. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.